Trent here. It's raining again. Did you know that we fall in love with whatever quiets our mind? Because then we feel ourself again, and our true self loves to love. If we quiet that cynical mind, then we uncover self-love, not arrogance, the kind of love that spreads. There are so many different ways for us to return home within ourselves.
A hobby, a sport, a walk, a road trip, a song, a cup of tea, something tasty, a good laugh, grass between our toes, or even the pitter-patter of rain on our head can reveal a bit of enlightenment. Whenever the sensations of living dissolve overthinking, that's meditation. If you would like, please tap your fingers on your head like little drops of rain. All adaptations are welcome, sitting, kneeling, lying down. You might close your eyes and breathe deeply. Feel the breath. Feel the rain. Thoughts may drift in to tell us this is pointless. Thank you, thoughts, for looking out. But we got this. Then back to noticing the sensations of living, the subtleties of the breath, the pitter-patter. Whenever you are ready, shake the rain off your hands, maybe 10 times, to activate some life. Then let those hands rest wherever comfortable. Sitting is preferable. Take one more deep breath. Feel the subtle tingle of aliveness in your hands or your arms. Or notice your heartbeat. You may detect a warm peacefulness rising up from your core.
That is the sensation of the true, lovable you, waiting patiently until the next present moment.